Good morning, friends and family, outlaws and in-laws. Thank you for tuning back in to Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy, the guy behind the camera over here. Anyhow, as you guys can tell, I have a box on my table. And yes, we are in the model room. See, it's right here. It's just, I wanted to put a table here because I got so much crap on my bench right now. I didn't want it to distract away from what I'm doing here. I got a package in the mail, and it's from this guy right here, this dude right here, David Davenport. And a lot of you guys know David Davenport. If you don't, let me run you over here and show you who that is. This guy right here, FlashBackModelWerx. But yeah, and there's a bunch of other shop cards in there. Anyhow, guys, sorry about that. I could have showed you his card by itself, but it's up in the frame, and I didn't want to take it out of the frame and take a chance of messing up the rest of them. But anyhow, guys, thanks for tuning in. And he just had a giveaway, and I won his giveaway. So it's pretty cool. Thanks, David, for doing that, man. That's really cool. And I'm hoping you get way more subscribers than what you already have. And I'm sure you will here eventually. But what I'm going to show you guys is the package that he sent, because I want his giveaway. That's pretty cool. Hang on. Yeah, sorry guys, I had a little issue. But yeah, it was his 500 sub giveaway, and I was the lucky winner. Again, thanks Dave, or David rather. This is amazing. I did not expect to win this, and it's a pretty cool prize package. Let me stop rambling and get into this. I know you guys are wanting to see it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box and show you guys what's within. Hopefully I can do this without making too much damage here. There's that side. Let's see. Let's do this side. You know, man, he really packaged this well. This is cool. I like this. Awesome. So yeah, and again, if you guys have not subscribed to him, run over to his channel at FlashBackModelWerx and tell him Shaggy sent you over. Of course, we have a bunch of paper here. That's pretty cool. We got, and this is the kit I won from him. Very cool. The 1967 Corvette. I don't know if it's a Stingray or not, but it's pretty cool. I'm like, I've never owned this kit, and I think it'll be a pretty cool addition to the stash. And you know, it being Rebel, it's going to be a good kit. So thank you, David, for that. Awesome, man. Awesome. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's see here. What else we got in here? We got what is this? Oh, cool. Look, we got some 3D printed wheels and tires. That's awesome. That's cool. And it's got the center caps in there. This is cool. I like this. Let me pull one of those out of the bag. See what's going on with that. So yeah, there we go. What was that? 18, 19, 20, something like that? I don't know. Those are cool. I like those. That's put that in a lowrider bill, maybe. Oh, cool! Look, he's he told me he was gonna reprint some Krager wheels, and this is cool. I like these tires. These tires are really neat. The BF Goodwrench Radial TAs, cool. I just showed you guys some of those, but here's some Kragers to go with them. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So yeah, it'll lead to my, yeah, that'll be cool. Put that on my van build. That'll look good on that 70s van sitting over there. Oh, awesome! Look, we've got some other garage items here. Let's see if we can we move the camera down and show you guys what's all in this bag here. So yeah, we got some. What is this? It's like velocity stacks, maybe. I'm not sure what that is. We have some gear shifters. So yeah, we got some gear shifters. You got a bunch of carburetors, a cool looking little steering wheel here. I wonder if that's out of the Kit Knight Rider version. That's what it reminds me of. Got some cool little shifters here. These are some awesome carburetors. These things are cool. Got some Joey, what's the matter, buddy? It's okay. It's fine. And we got some tacks with ship lights here. That's what that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got us have a bomb hood ornament. I like that. That's cool. Hang on, let me pause and get this stuff out of the way. Hang on. Thanks for that, David. So yeah, guys, let's see what else we got in the goodie bag here. We have 572 Chevy. Oh, that's cool. Got a complete engine here. That's awesome. Look at that. Nice little distributors. They got the heads. Comes with the transmission. Look at that. Look at that pedal. I am so sorry, people. So yeah, a 572 Chevy. That's gonna come in handy. Not sure what I'm gonna put that in yet, but we'll put it in there. And we have some Chevy Rally wheels. Oh, these are gonna look good. Let's see here. Let's open that up. See what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is cool. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah, that'd be cool. Put that in my 50 Chevy truck. That'd be cool. What else do we have in here? Wow, look at those meats. Good Lord, those things are huge. Awesome. So we got some drag wheels and tires. That's cool. Is that Mickey Thompson's? No, that's Hoosier. That's cool. Let's open it up and look at it. Oops. Let's see here. We have the yeah, these are Hoosiers. Very cool. Get that dude out of there. Got the brake calipers, front and rears. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thanks, David. Man, that'll come in handy. What else do we have in this little package here? More wheels and tires. Dude, this is awesome. I love this. Those are gonna look good. Yeah, that's awesome. And yet more wheels and tires. Looks like some old some Mopar rallies. Those are cool. I like those. So yeah, Mopar rallies. Awesome. Love it, love it, love it. And we have some more wheels and tires. Dude, David, you're awesome, man. This is cool. I love this stuff. So yeah, we got all of this stuff from David, man. What a great guy. So yeah, we got some pretty cool additions to the stash here. These are awesome. Thanks, David. Really cool, man. And if you guys have not went over to his channel, please go over to David's channel at FlashBackModelWerx and tell him Shaggy sent you. I will be glad you did, and so will he. And David, man, I appreciate it. Congrats again on the on all the new subscriptions. And if you guys have not gone to see David over at FlashBackModelWerx, right here, this little, this is what it looks like. Go over there and give him a like, give him a sub, drop a comment, and share his videos. Let's get this guy up to 1,000. And remember, keep that stash growing and the airbrush blowing, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks again, David. You're awesome. Love you, man.